Today is Pop's birthday. These were in the back seat underneath my driver's seat. I'm still gonna have to get rid of some of these water bottles. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with water bottles. I'm gonna keep my Mark II. I might be doing like a giveaway for the SX740HS. I know I'm not gonna ever use it again. I might as well give it to somebody that can use it. I just got out of the shower, just did me some skincare. With the goddamn trunk open.
Oh, my glasses.
She acting
Mom, don't put me in that camera.
I'm gonna call you going to jail.
Nah, you going to jail. You the driver. I ain't signed up for this.
Happy birthday to Big James. Happy birthday to you.
Rodney. How old you turning?
6, 7.
Ready or not, here I come. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
So we're diving right into the vlog with a face mask. Sorry I didn't let y'all see me slap it on, but it wasn't planned, so I hope you understand. So literally a phone call with my sister got me all excited to join the face mask party at 12 a.m. because why not? Except I got super lazy when it was time to wash mine off. Now I'm rocking this crusty face mask look. Y'all, I am a hot mess. Totally forgot about the Instacart order, but thank goodness it's here now because we were running on fumes, or should I say running on an empty stomach. So I'm excited to share with you a quick haul of what I purchased. While I do tend to stick to my favorite staples, I still enjoy sharing my hauls with you guys. I'm a huge fan of ordering my groceries on Instacart. It's incredibly convenient, especially on busy days or days I simply don't want to leave my home. Instacart is a grocery delivery and pickup service where you can shop for groceries, wine, and more. To sign up for Instacart, you can either visit the Instacart website at instacart.com or download the Instacart app. Once in, create your account, and then you can use my code for $10 off your first order. I'll also have the code in the description box if you're interested. So now I'm going to quickly put away these groceries. Really wish I had remembered that I scheduled a delivery for yesterday. It would have been nice to have a clean fridge in advance. It's not too bad though, so I'll just quickly clean it up as I jam these groceries into their new home. Cheese is here. Circle with mustard on my toppings. And I got some more herbs. Fine, 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 fine.
those sweet, sweet kisses and those sweet red roses, they convinced me it was you. Yeah, now it's so conclusive that you were sent to it too. If you tell me from the start that you're sticking around, I would have been fine. Then I would have been told I could so.
Yeah, saw that.
You talk to me like you have lost respect for me. Wanna be close to you, don't wanna be mad on you. It don't matter what you do.
Okay guys, day 2 of this cleaning thing. I have this living room to do. Got some totes from, excuse my voice. Got some my totes from the storage. If you guys watch, I don't know if it was a couple vlogs back, I went to the storage, got some stuff. I also found my things that I was looking for the TV, so I am gonna be putting up the TV. These were in the back seat underneath my driver's seat, y'all. I'm going to separate all of this stuff that I really feel like I need, and then just getting rid of it. I do have a tote already started over there. That tote right there has dishes in it I don't necessarily need. I guess I can call the Goodwill and they'll come pick it up. I'm not sure. I remember I used to use the Goodwill service a long time ago. It would come and pick up my stuff, but I'm not sure exactly how it works now because it's been so long. But I'm gonna go ahead and separate the stuff that I don't want and just, I don't know. Y'all gonna see. Want me to know where she at? I said, Lord, watch over. What? But I just cannot figure out what I want to throw away, what I want to keep. So this is actually harder than what I thought it would be. But it's not even a lot of stuff for real like I thought it was. But I do have to get rid of some of it. So I have so many new things that I haven't even opened, like this water bottle I have, and this water bottle. I haven't even used it. So I'm thinking like the old stuff that I used, I'm gonna like throw those away, but keep the rest. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I have some plates. I have some plates here. I'm gonna keep my little containers like this. Yeah, so I got the majority. I just wanna get this stuff put away into the cabinet. Then after I put it away in the cabinet, I can clear out this space and put up my TV. This is the stuff in this box that I decided that I don't want for sure. It's like a whole bunch of Tupperware. So yeah, I'm still gonna have to get rid of some of these water bottles. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with water bottles, y'all. Like, I do not need all of these water bottles. I think I'm gonna get rid of this one, because this one is kind of pretty. It says, let's do this, good 7 a.m., let's do this, 9 a.m., good start, 11 a.m., keep it up, 1 p.m., you're awesome, 3 p.m., halfway to go, 5 p.m., doing great, almost there, 7 p.m., and done, great job, 9 p.m. I like this one, so I think I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna put this one in the to-go box. I'm gonna keep 2 of these. I have 4. I'm gonna keep all my bamboo glasses. I love these things to the T. I was thinking I can water my plants. I'm just thinking about all the things that I can do with these. I don't want to give it up. I can water my plants with this. Like, yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I don't even have no real plants. And I'm talking about I can water my plants. I'm gonna keep this. Didn't use this yet, I don't think, but I originally got it so I can store whatever left over of my juices. I have some decor that I also am gonna keep, but I just don't know how much of it. I thought this would be easier, but it's not easy as I thought it would be. Because when I packed my stuff, I really packed my stuff so that I can declutter. And now I literally condensed it. Now I have to condense it again. Like, I don't know. So y'all, I'm not gonna be able to get the TV up by myself. I'm gonna need somebody to hold it. So I got a little bit done, y'all, because I've been bullshitting around on the telephone. Should have been doing what I needed to do, y'all. I have my Canyon. No, this is the Mark II. Here go the other one. I'm gonna keep my Mark II, but I might be doing like a giveaway for the SX740HS Power Shot. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna see if my son want it, and if he doesn't want it, then I don't think he's into vlogging, but I'm gonna let y'all know. If my son don't want that camera, I'm gonna definitely do a giveaway and give it to somebody who can use it, because I don't use it anymore. I love the zoom on that camera, but that's just about it. Ever since I got my Mark II, I like that one better. I know I'm not gonna ever use it again, so I might as well give it to somebody that can use it. Good morning, everybody. So I just got off of work, took a shower. It felt so good. Guess what I found? A gym open 24 hours near my job. Went to the gym last night. I didn't record because I didn't have my camera, unfortunately. Well, I had my camera, I didn't have my SD card. Yeah, we getting it in. There's no excuses on why we can't go to the gym now, because I had to take a 45-minute break and go for 30 minutes. So love that for me. Yeah, I just got out of the shower, just did me some skincare, good old tender loving care. I'm about to go to sleep. Today is Pop's birthday, so we're gonna do something for him. Malachi said that he wanted to do a movie night, so when I wake up, I am going to go, what is this? For some lip gloss. Go to probably Giant Eagle. I should have ordered his cake. I started ordering the cake and I don't know what happened. That's what I mean by my ADHD is crazy. Because I started ordering him a cake. It might not be too late. I'ma call. But so yeah, I had my breakfast already. About to lay it down. Girls or men who work night shift, start using an eye mask when you sleep. This right here, I can't even go to sleep without it no more. I don't know where I got it from. I had it for a long time. I never really used it. I think when I first got it, and then I kind of laid off of it. Now, baby, I get the best sleep. And when I can't sleep, I just put this on. Even though I don't want to. Put it on. In about 30 minutes, I'll be gone. Be knocked out, girl. So yeah, just wanted to come in, check in with y'all. With the goddamn trunk open because this TV.
Oh, my glasses.
She acting.
Mom, don't put me in that camera.
picked up Pop's birthday gift. I am so glad that I did not get the 80-inch TV. Because if I would have got that... Oh, I was about to stop.
Oh, this turn.
Why y'all so f***ing mad because y'all ain't got a TV? They acting like they mad. Like I'm going slap.
Like, I splashed into that TV.
Yo, we just bought Pop's TV for his birthday. That's all he asked for is this TV. And I was going to get him an 85-inch TV. And chill. If I would have got that 85, it would have been a wrap. I don't know who would have came and picked that thing up. But we on our way to Pop's house. I was kind of rushing at the house. That's why I didn't pick y'all up while I was going.
Yeah.
We gotta stop at the stop sign, girl. Look at his cake, y'all.
I need you to stop putting that camera on me.
Pop's called himself
Vic
Vic
James.
James. Like Rick James, you get it? So we got happy birthday Rick James on there.
Rick James or Vic James?
Vic James,
You said
bro.
Vic James.
I ain't say none of that. You said that. Oh, it's such a nice day, y'all. It was like
you're a great mother.
it was like 75 degrees outside today. So it's a beautiful, beautiful day in Columbus. Oh
my
my
hands
God.
are sore when I get there.
Is it sliding or something?
Yes.
She's so dramatic. Ain't nothing sliding.
Okay, if I let it go, we're gonna see how much it slide.
Ain't nothing sliding. Ain't nothing sliding but your what you call it? If that TV fall, Makaya, you going to jail.
Nah, you going to jail. You the driver.
And you gonna pay me my money
I
back.
ain't paying you nothing. It ain't got nothing to do with me. I ain't signed up for this.
So I'll talk to y'all when I get to Pop's house because I don't even think I got that much storage on my SD card.
Hey, Izzy! Blow it out!
Why you can't blow it out, Pops? You gotta blow it out.
Victor afraid he can't go.
No.
Come back to life.
Oh, man, it's falling.
I just said that.
Learn the bridge is falling down. Me.
Let's not.
You gotta say, when we ask him how old you are, you gotta say 6, 7. Alright.
I'm tired of 6, 7.
You gotta say 6, 7.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dick James. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Doing too much.
Happy birthday. Your grandson gotta ask you a question before you blow out.
How old you turning?
6, 7. And still looking good.
Yay!
I ain't want to spin on it.
Grandpa's blew it from the side. Grandpa gets the first cupcake. He likes chocolate.
Right there.
Just rest and take it slow, one foot in front of the other. Every good, perfect thing. Let's see for my
Only your G-Baby had the nerve to do that because we wasn't doing it.
yes, it is for my good.
Don't be trying to doctor him now. She feel bad.
He is good, and his mercy endures forever.
Good morning, my sweet loves. We are back at the house. So happy to be at home, y'all. So happy.
Bro, why is everybody talking about PayPal? Like, if I got PayPal packed.
So, literally came in last night. We went over Pops. It was amazing, amazing, amazing day. He loved his birthday gift. So, that was amazing. We got it We got it done. And I think I got clips. I didn't vlog much over there. I don't know. It was just, I don't know what happened. I just forgot about vlogging. But we have some footage with us singing happy birthday. He was so happy. Oh, we made Pop's day. Literally. We made his day. Literally. What happened? What's going on? Y'all, it's a beautiful day again. Beautiful day. Beautiful. It's a beautiful morning. Ain't that like a TV show? Makaya. She's just worried about boys all the time. You can't even talk to your own daughter because she's worried about boys. It's crazy work. I'm just going to give me something to eat on. I went to Starbucks, got me a, what is it called? A mocha. I went to Starbucks and got me a latte. Iced caramel latte. I want to say. I was about to say I'm gonna cut me up an apple, you know, and eat it. But last night, yesterday was a very, very fun day. We got to Pop's house at like 6. We left from up over there at like 11 o'clock. I came home and watched Ray Charles, y'all. I love watching movies. I love watching TV in general because I never have time to watch TV. And that kind of does something to my mental. I'm noticing that, like, sometimes I just need to take a break from, like, grinding. And sit down and do something that I used to do that I consider normal. Sit down, watch TV, take it all in, you know what I mean? So, watch Ray Charles movie. Wow. That movie is deep. That man was something. Like, I always say, be in marriages and stuff. I guess you ain't gotta be delusional, but you gotta be willing to take a lot of somebody else's bullshit. I don't know if I'm willing. Not saying that I'm not open to relationships. I'm never gonna say that. I used to say that. You're gonna have to come strong in order for me to deal with you. Because I don't even need nobody else's problems. What do I need that for? I don't have no problem dying alone. I know I'm gonna always have my kids because I raise my kids on love. So, I'm gonna always have my kids. And if I don't, oh well. I mean, I'm fine with that too. But I get it. I get it for those who want it. It takes a lot of forgiving and a lot of, like, people just inflict hurt on the people that love them the most. I don't understand that. Like, how you was a whole married man. I love Ray Charles. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. But how you just a whole grown man, married, and your side piece died, and you go crying. I personally think he was crying because he opened that door for her. And then also he knew he hurt her. So he probably was crying. One, of course he loved her. I think he loved her. Two, he just wasn't in love with her. And then two, he knew he opened that door for her to want to try drugs. He put her in a deep depression. He knew what he did. He was remorseful after that. But to the wife, it just looked like he was, if to me, that way I wouldn't give a damn about none of that. I'm just keeping it real. I would have probably had remorse for her, but I don't give a, like, why did I have to be in that situation? And all I did was love you. Y'all can have it. That's too much. Too much stress for no reason. I just want to be your friend, boo.
Basically, y'all, I feel like, my own opinion, a lot of wives just want the title, especially when it comes to these stars. They barely at home. You just want that title of I married such and such. I did not realize until I got grown how people will jump over hurdles for just the title of something. Like, seriously, like, they do that at work. Like, for instance, I was an ADON. That job required way too much of me. And if you think about it, you're not getting paid what the work you're putting in, because you get salary. So that ADON, that position, and it was something that I could handle, but I would have been agitated the whole, like, everything that goes down in that building, somebody's gonna call you. Even when you're off work, you're at home trying to enjoy your family, and here comes this facility. Basically, you eat, sleep, breathe that facility. I feel like you're putting in more work because there's no cutoff time. I mean, you could take your days off or whatever, but there's still no cutoff time. Like, you're always with the building in the back of your mind. You go out to dinner on your off day, the building is in the back of your mind. Somebody's always calling you, asking you, like, who's doing all of that just to have a title? If I'm gonna have a title, the title is gonna be my name. If I'm doing all that work for a title, it ain't gonna have somebody else's business credentials on it. A lot of these women with these men, and they just want to be a wife. That's all they wanted. And now, y'all ain't ready for me. Y'all ain't ready for me.